can use particularly the elbows to apply this technique, SDR. So how does SDR work? We find, let's say levator scapulae is a nice one here. We're going to pin the muscle here with pressure from my elbows, and then I'm going to get Nadej to stretch by leaning her head forwards and away from that line. So you're pinning the tissues and then they stretch at the same time, and the client is moderating the stretch by how far they want to push their heads forwards. So Nadej, when I apply the pressure, if you want to lean your head forwards and on the 45 there. So let me just get the position. So from here, okay, just lean forwards and to your right on the 45 until you feel the stretch. Slightly further forwards, that's it. And push the stretch as far as you're comfortable with. Okay, and just keep reaching it forward, that's good. That's good, and I'm just going to come across the tissues. How's the discomfort levels?
That's fine.
It's fine. Okay. And just adjust the position of your head so that it varies and you can feel the different fibres being stretched. So if you bring the right ear a little bit more towards your shoulder, right shoulder. There we go. How's that feel? Nice?
Yeah.
Okay, and you can put the little circles in there. Alright. Can you push a little further? Okay. And relax. Bring the head back. So that's quite a lot of pressure. They'll need to sort of just loosen their shoulders a little bit. But we pin the muscle and then they've stretched it that way. If I adjust more here into the trapezius muscles, so this time, Nadej, if you bring your right ear towards your right shoulder, we'll get these anterior fibres of upper trapezius. Keep pulling until you feel that tension. How's that? Hitting the right spot? Just little circles. So again, I'm pinning upper traps and getting her to stretch them at the same time. If you just adjust your head position as is most effective for you. And I'm just gently coming across the fibres as well. Can you see? Just a little movement through the elbow. Now, just hold there. I'm just going to adjust my position. Go. Bit painful?
Yeah.
Hence the breathing. Manageable? No further. Okay, just back off a little bit. Pull that head and relax. Okay.